Hi, in this video, I will be showing you how to debloat Windows 11 using Chris Titus Tool PowerShell. Just go on your Windows icon, right-click, go on Terminal, or you can use PowerShell. Make sure you run as administrator. Once opened, make sure you type in this irmchristitus.com win IEX exactly as this is. Then press enter. This will download the recent utility tool. Once it's opened, then you have to go under tweaks. Here there are two types of tweaks, essential tweaks and advanced tweaks. Here you can disable things like disk cleanup or deliver optimization, temporary files, and widgets. Here you can disable background programs such as Adobe, URL background apps, and also you can disable Microsoft Edge. Right. Then after you select the tweaks that you want to remove, just run the tweaks and your operating system will be running under those changes and you're done.